Yes. I'm about to get ready for my sister's graduation. Congratulations. This is currently 10:08. I'm going to start my makeup by 11 because it's me. I mean, I always do things fast. I was supposed to leave at 1, so I think 11 is a good time to start my makeup. So yeah, when I'm about to start, we're going to do it together. I feel like I've not gotten ready with you guys in a while. People should not copyright. Don't give me copyright, please. When I'm about to start my makeup, we're going to do it together, okay? Mama, what time are you going to start getting ready? I just did my edges and my brow. Is the brow good? Because you still attack me stuff. I'll use eye pencil to fill it small.
Nobody here good though.
Which one?
I'm comparing of here.
Where is that end, Abby? Yeah, that end, because it's not equal. And it's this one.
It's that one. That's why I'm saying that that's different.
Okay. Mama will always complain about my brows. I don't know what I've done. She will always complain about my brows. Today I'm going to do it the way she likes. So yeah, we're going to start our makeup in less than an hour.
So what can I say to you? But I'm off there, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down. Baby. What it seems for this girl. What is love? What's that? Love, what is love? But even if I told you all about it, but our pressure just keep adding up. Then we just get mad and fuck. We was living fast and fuck. That's what get me high enough. All these people always lie my song. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what? Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry for that.
I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas, green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. At what cost?
Hit Mercedes, buy some free cars.
I know this nigga's worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Who am I to sound this how this shit goes? That's sarcasm, by the way.
You wanna be my hero. You won't even do the hell. Oh, this shit don't add up. You don't even know the math. You said it's gonna even last. Sometimes I wanna beat your ass. You know I won't do that. I'm sorry I say that. Yeah. Swear fame ain't changed shit but my mind. You see the pattern, can you think a nigga blowing time? Here's your blood. What we see ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love? What's that? What is love? Girl, we see ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love?
We hit the club and it's cops full of jealous. We in the bag and we mugging the T.I. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in the div. Oh yeah, I'm still slaying. This bitch knows like music over. She gets down just like music over. Run the block, she's not on the shot. That bitch bad, watch her blow. It's a wave. Every time, she gets away. said she won't talk to the low. She wasn't on a runner, she wanted on a runner. You see the dark skin girls with the light skin crew. Yeah, I wish to you. You see the light skin girl with the light skin crew. Can't know what to do. I'm still saying this bitch knows like crazy love. She gets down just like crazy love. Round the block, she's not on the shots. That bitch bad, watch her blow. Back in this away. She gets away.
Duration, girl. Big fur. Madam Ted Baker. Let's go and eat some fruits. Girls gotta eat because food is good for the soul. Period.
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know. Cause your time is money and no budget wasted. Oh no, no. Oh baby, just go with it. When you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow. Or act like you're my girl. Let's get the basics. Whoa, he's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're burning up. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine china. Favorite, you're my favorite. It's like all the girls around me don't have faces, and they're saying no. Life is just a game, but I'm not playing. Whoa, whoa, he's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're burning up. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine china. Took me a while to find your love. Ain't no amount of time in this world. Save me a lot of time and just love me. Feel it, baby, feel it in your soul. Are you ready? I know your heart been telling you you belong to me. No. It's alright. I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like mine.
You guys, I packed my hair in a pony and she looks really cute. I didn't know that she was going to give really cute sweet girl vibes, but I mean she's giving now, which means that we're gonna be leaving her like this for a while before we take her out, because I'm already tired of this hair. I need to be losing this hair. 1 week my braid needs to leave, because what the hell. Anyways, yeah, just want to show you guys my hair this morning, Sunday, this juicy Sunday morning. Also, I've just had oats and granola. Like I put granola in my oats. Anyways, yeah, that's what's up. I'm about to shower now. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
It's alright.